What would you do if you had examples? What would you do if you had a pirate ship? What would you do if you had a house in Spain? What would you do if you had $1 million? What would you do if you only had one day to live? What would you do if you had an invisibility cloak? What would you do if you had a time machine? What would you do if you had a private jet? What would you do if you had the Louvre to yourself for one night? What would you do if you had your own island? What would you do if you had a key to every building in your city?